Good morning, bright and sunny day. So the first thing what I generally do is wake up and get my Solex watch going and start my work. And after that, open up the curtains, open up the blinds and see what kind of a bright sunny day awaits us. Wow, that's a nice view of the ocean, bright sunny day, and just check some emails already. So I did check my email, and something strange. We had new computers on board, and they're just 8 gig RAM. Well, pretty lousy. So we have some spare computers. Open it up, and I got another 8 gig. So let's make it 16 gig when I am free. Then we can do that. For now, I just need to go down, and we are going down to Eco RPM. So I'll just see what's the best we can do so that our gas stays steady and we get the best eco speed with the best ETA that we need. Eco speed means much more fuel savings. Right now it's all about the environment, staying safe, staying clean and green fuel, lesser emissions means lesser pollution to the planet. So as usual, I spoke to the steward and I've told him that my standard breakfast, 3 boiled eggs. Every single day, 3 boiled eggs. So let's see what our cook is up to. चलो देखते हैं हमारे चीफ कुक साहब क्या कर रहे हैं. We are into the galley. Hey Chief, morning. How's it going?
Morning. Hi. Hey. You make me okay now.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. The chief cook. Okay. So we got some nice salmon for the afternoon. Some nice prawns.
Nice. This one I cook here.
Yeah. Afternoon. Soy milk. I like soy milk, so I just told the cook that normally my oiler or the wiper would take this to the engine room, but since I was here, I'll just take the soy milk down, and I like it with the milk, and so do most of the guys. So heading down to the engine room. It's Sunday. Sundays are generally relaxed on board. Sunday generally छुट्टी होती है. सिर्फ वॉच कीपर जो ब्रिज में है वो दोनों, और इंजन रूम जो UMS होती है, इंजन रूम के वॉच कीपर्स विल गो डाउन. उनके बेसिक रूटीन्स अगर कुछ इमरजेंसी ना हो तो. Just arrived in the control room and it's nice and clean. Excellent. Well done. My oiler, the duty oiler in the morning has cleansed the control room, done a fantastic job. So I'm just here, not disturbing the guys, doing my own stuff. I'll come here, check all my parameters as a daily routine. And that's what I must do. Many ships, Chief Engineer's cabin has these parameters where we can see the same. बहुत सारे जहाज़ों में ये जो इंजन के जो पैरामीटर्स है, इंजन के जो रीडिंग्स है, टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर्स, ये बाकी सब वगैरह चीफ इंजीनियर के कंप्यूटर पे दिखता है, बट यहाँ पे वो ऑप्शन नहीं है. सो मैं हमेशा नीचे आता हूँ, पैरामीटर्स देखता हूँ. दैट डजंट मीन आई एम लेज़ी. उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं जो जहाज पे चीफ इंजीनियर के कैबिन में मिलता है मैं नीचे नहीं आता हूँ. मुझे नीचे आना ही है. लुक एट ऑल द पैरामीटर्स एंड ऑल द रीडिंग्स. चलो, आई विल सी ऑल ऑफ दिस and see my stuff so that I don't get distracted. Do my main job. Remember, the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. Just because I'm the chief, that doesn't mean I don't check the coffee machine for water and the other stuff. Make sure you do it, and there's no ego, there's no attitude. Just check it up before you start your coffee machine so that it's a simple thing. It's just you can just fill up the water. Hello, good evening. Well, about 5:35 p.m. here, Sunday evening. Pretty relaxed day. Not as much because it's going to get busy in a bit, because it's time to look and read and send all my emails, because my Singapore office will be up in a bit. It's about 7:35 there a.m. Monday morning. So I need to get all the weekend clutter, the weekend messages sent over, and definitely in an hour or maybe 2, I'll be getting a lot of messages from there as well. So I need to prepare, and I have like 2 hours, so 1 hour for a quick workout. See you at the gym. In the meanwhile, let's take a look at the outside. The outside is a nice, bright, sunny, crisp day. समंदर की लहरें बहुत प्यारी लग रही है. अब सूरज भी ढलने वाला है थोड़ी देर में. So time to do some kind of workout. Or no, maybe arms, biceps and triceps, baby. Yeah. To today's vlog, we're in the gym, and I have managed to ask my guys to set up a spare computer here, because we didn't have any music system. We had some old kind of amp system here, amplifier system. I think that connects with a standard jack, a standard audio jack. So this audio jack is there in the computer. Now most phones and all that don't have this jack anymore. So let's see. Let's fire this up and see how it feels. Okay, after some fingering, I figured out, I don't know, I think this looks like Chinese or something. But at least I can Yeah? Not so bad. Not so bad. Time to run, baby. Cardio. So I believe that's enough of cardio just to warm up for the day. 15 minutes, I believe. Yeah, 1.8 kilometers. Not bad, so that gives me an average of about 7 or so. Alright, so now time for the real workout. So the weight training session almost done. And guess who's in the gym with us today? Here's Captain Joey. Hi. Say hi to maybe some of the Filipino friends of mine.
Hello.
Okay. So, like I think one of my friends said before, my happy place is the gym. My cabin. After a pretty good workout, almost an hour, 20 minutes cardio, no, 15 minutes cardio, and the rest was strength training, bicep, triceps. Well, I forgot this guy. Need to pull down the blind for the night, as the bridge guys will get disturbed. So, time for a protein, shower, and then back to my emails. See you later, guys. Well, so nothing's constant in the shipping industry. At the weekend, we were asked to go at eco speed and arrive somewhere around in the second week of Feb. Well, new message, new changes. Head back to full sea speed. So the guys have pumped up the RPM. I'm just going to check on the system, down to check the parameters. Third engineer is on round. He's gone to do his stuff. So me and second Amit here, see what he's up to. I think he's having coffee. He doesn't want to sleep in the night. But I think he's having not the fancy coffee, not the coffee machine. भाई ये क्यों पी रहा है भाई? पैसा लगता है क्या उसका?
Easy way.
अरे थोड़ा हिंदी भी चलेगा. Now a lot of people are saying to use Hindi. तो हिंदी भी चलेगा भाई. So he's having the सस्ता coffee, the Nescafe Gold. और हमको तो
Nescafe Gold is not the sasta coffee.
अबे on the ship it is सस्ता coffee यार compared to the coffee machine, the $1,000 वाली coffee machine. So anyway, just checked out all the parameters of the engine. Everything seems stable, and now it's time to call it a night. We've adjusted this new parameter here. The specified, now we are running in a specified dual fuel index. So fuel at 50%, fuel at 17% and the gas at 50%. Usually for this, when you are full on gas, the fuel is just about 5% and the rest 50, 60, whatever, 70, whatever, that would be the gas. So the fuel, remember the pilot fuel now, we have increased the pilot fuel because we are running in a specified dual fuel mode. So we can even see from the index here, light one is the gas, the darker one, the fuel. Usually it's pretty small. So now the difference is quite large since it's 18%, not 5% anymore. So that's it for now. I think we'll call it a night from the control room. I head back up to the cabin. See, I'm sure there are a few mails, or maybe a ton of mails, because it's Monday morning at Malaysia and Singapore. And still, what's the time? Yeah, it's still 9 p.m. right here. 9 p.m. right here. So let's go up to the cabin. See you up. Just busy with stuff. And we'll have some quick dinner. Some chicken satay type stuff. Not satay, maybe barbecue chicken, some chicken gravy, some greens, and a kind of a naan. Take care. See you later. Not much to do. Sunday night. So far, not that many emails. We had just one email to send to one of the telephone system makers. Send that one, and yeah, pretty much it. So I got some deck rounds set up for tomorrow and identifying some defect, getting the defect report sorted out. And not that I'm complaining about having less emails on a Sunday night. Well, that's it for now. Yes, and I really miss the biryani. A lot of our Indian cooks, all the ships where you have Indians and Indian cooks on board, the cook would cook biryani on Sunday afternoon. And biryani is known to be counted. The days, if you got 2 weeks to go home, they would say, oh, 2 biryanis to go. Biryani would be like a countdown. Kitne hafte baki the, utne biryani baki the. So, jab Indian ship pe hote hain hum, to Indian cook always makes biryani on Sunday, yaar. वो हमेशा बिरयानी गिनते हैं कितने बाकी है घर जाने के लिए. तो that keeps us happy. All right, take care, good night. Sunday night, sleep tight.